The socialite Olinda was arrested and charged with cyberbullying in the latest development stemming from the violent domestic dispute involving hip-hop artist Desmond Chideme, his ex-wife Tioni Tafirenyika, and their child 2 weeks ago. Sabina Mashko Blanjo Bachin's Olinda arrested, lose his passport, will subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tivina Mzim Amobda Yukamchinzi. Chapio was arrested on Wednesday and appeared before Magistrate Ruth Moyo, where she was charged with cyberbullying after allegedly targeting Tafirenyika in a Facebook live video. She was not asked to plead and was released on $100 bail. She is expected back in court on January 16, 2026. As part of a bail condition, Chapio was ordered not to interfere with witnesses, to surrender a passport, and to report once every fortnight at the Borodale police station. The state alleges that on December 17, Chapio unlawfully and intentionally used a Facebook live broadcast to shout at and insult Tafirenyika, allegedly calling her a prostitute and issuing threats meant to intimidate, harass, humiliate, or cause emotional distress. Prosecutors say the video was publicly accessible and was intended to degrade and demean Tafirenyika. Lawrence Gangarawe appeared for the state. The cyberbullying case follows a dramatic and widely publicized violent incident 2 weeks ago involving Stana, his former wife Dione, and Olinda Chapio, who is currently Stana's partner. The late-night confrontation reportedly erupted after Dione arrived at a Harare residence to collect a child. Sources close to the matter claim Stana initially refused to release the child, triggering a chaotic confrontation that later spewed into social media. During the incident, Chapel went live on Facebook, broadcasting what she claimed was a violent raid at the house by suspected state security agents. In the emotionally charged footage, she alleged that Stana was assaulted, children and staff were beaten, and mobile phones were confiscated. Chapel further claimed the alleged operatives were hired by Dione, an allegation that has not been confirmed by police or state institutions. Tomashoko mamiro ashakaita muri Zimbabwe. Pinda comment section medu za fura ema today bamzo pichit kwich. So subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.